Hi everyone. Our idea for this hackathon is DApp-Truist. So to first explain what DApp-Truist is, I will have to explain what a DAO is. So DAOs or decentralized autonomous organization are basically an organization in which the rules are encoded in the computer program of the DAO. So it is completely transparent. No central entity is controlling it. The entire control of the DAO and its decisions is on the organization members. It decides what decisions it will make as a community. Every member of the community holds the same power, uh, regardless of their financial situation. So, in non-technical terms, DAOs are an effective and a safe way to work with like-minded folks around the globe. So for DApp-Truist, the problem we noticed was in centralized organization there exists an hierarchy. There is usually a governing body consisting of CXO level executives that possess majority of the decision making power and are the majority stakeholders of that organization. The need of DAO arises due to the disparity in decision making power between the community members and those in the government governing body, which usually makes it unfair for the common man's to have his or her opinions heard, regardless of how valuable they might be. Contrary to this, in a decentralized organization, every member is an equal stakeholder and has the same voting power regardless of their financial means. So no vote carries more power than the other vote. Everyone is equal. So what DApp-Truist does? So in DApp-Truist, we will be building a decentralized autonomous organization on the Celo blockchain, which is a mobile-first blockchain. Uh, Here at DApp-Truist, there is no CEO who can authorize spending based on his or her own whims. And there is no CFO that can manipulate the books or the funds of the company or the organization. Everything is out in the open, and the rules of the spending and the decisions are baked into the DAO and its code, the smart contract. All security measures have been kept in mind, and we are utilizing industry standard audited libraries and dependencies such as Open Zeppelin. Our sole aim is to empower the common man and make him, her, or them feel like they are being heard and their opinions matter. So now we will be moving on to the demo. As you can see, this is a smart contract here. We are using industry standard libraries and dependencies as we mentioned earlier, Open Zeppelin. Uh, so these are some of the mappings that have been utilized. These are the events. These are the access modifiers, only stakeholder and only contributor. This is the main function, the create proposal function. And as you can see, the only stakeholder modifier is being applied here. So only the stakeholders are allowed to make proposals. We have set a custom limit when a certain contributor becomes a stakeholder. Around 200 Celo or CUSD has to be deposited or contributed from the contributor side to for him or her to become a stakeholder. It is changeable, but for demo purposes, we have set it like that. This is the vote functions, and due to time constraints, due to this being only a 2 or 3 day hackathon, we couldn't implement the vote function. But I'll show the functions that we have implemented in the demo. So this is the pay charity function. This is the function to make the stakeholder. We can also get all proposals by calling the get proposals function. Now let's move on to the DApp. We can log in using MetaMask or the Alpha Horus Celo testnet wallet. I'll be utilizing the Alpha Horus wallet because it works faster for me. Let's just connect. Okay, as you can see, it's connected. This is our homepage. Welcome to DApp-Truist. Become a part of the altruistic community. This is our profile page. This is the address we have connected to the DApp with. And the fun fact about this image here, you this is not a new account. We use this account to test, so we actually had the option to set our image but in the further coming versions, the user can set his or her own image multiple times, and the image is actually pushed to IPFS, as you can see in the code here. We have utilized the IPFS client for Flutter, and the whole app is made on Flutter. So the main problem we faced while making this app was that there were no good dependencies or SDKs that we could use to actually connect the user wallets to the Flutter apps. So my roommate or my teammate actually uh, made a package on pub.dev and published it so that we could connect the DApp to the wallets, the Web3 Connect package on pub.dev. So now I'll show you the create proposal page. Enter amount, enter charity address, and the proposal description. These are some of the proposals we have made. Dedicate donations from the treasury for the month of April to Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. If we click on that, we can get more details about the proposal. As the amount requested is 200,000 CUSD, the proposal is raised by a certain address. The address of the charity is also mentioned. The for votes are 78, the against votes are 54. So, as I have mentioned before, this whole project is built on Celo. Celo is one of the blockchains that is actually mobile first, so we had an incentive to work upon that. And I think this is it for the demo, guys. Thank you.